Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. This one is black. Underneath it is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo pushing out 577 horsepower and 627 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. AMG V8 bi-turbo badging on the side. Black leather interior, sunroof. Also does come with the exclusive interior package with a Napa leather dash, diamond stitching, rear heated seats, trailer hitch, G63 badging. A clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Blind spot assist. Heated and cooled seats, memory seats, Burmeister sound system, AMG illuminated door sills, carbon fiber trim, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, ambient lighting, a rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, our exhaust, different sports suspension and manual adjustments for our dynamic selects. We've got Sports Plus, Sport, Comfort, Individual, and Slippery. Some USB ports and SD card readers in the glove compartment. This G-Wagon has 21,853 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this G63 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.